Hello, welcome to Suryamukhi Rasoi. Today I am going to make a traditional Indian dish. It is Kadhi with Urad dal pakoras. Kadhi is a soup made with yogurt, and I'm going to put some split black lentil pakoras in it. As you are aware, pakoras are usually deep fried. However, I'm going to make it without deep frying them, making them healthier as usual. Hope you enjoy my recipe. If you like my recipe, do not forget to click like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Take half a cup of split black lentils in a bowl. Wash it thoroughly a few times and then add water to cover it completely. Cover it and allow it to soak for 4 to 5 hours. Take 2 green chillies and 1 inch of ginger in an electric grinder. Add the soaked split black lentils, draining all the water. Grind it into a smooth paste with intermittent stirring as shown. Once the desired consistency is reached, transfer it to a bowl. Take 5 tablespoons of plain yogurt in a bowl. Stir it and mix it well. You can use a stirrer or even a spoon as I have done. Add some whey to it. If you don't have whey, you can add water. I've added partly whey and some water to make a thin mixture. Then add 3 tablespoons of gram flour. Stir and mix it well to form a smooth mixture. Finely chop ginger, garlic and green chilli as shown. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan and add mustard seeds. When they splutter, add cumin seeds, fenugreek seeds, asafoetida, cloves and cinnamon stick. Mix well and then pour the yogurt mixture which you have prepared. Mix well and add further water if necessary. Add the finely chopped green chili, ginger and garlic along with salt and turmeric powder. Mix well and cook with intermittent stirring till you get it to boil. Add some curry leaves which will enhance the taste. It is important to keep stirring while this is happening, otherwise the yogurt will curdle. After it has reached boiling consistency, add small portions of the split black lentil mixture that you have prepared, similar to how you would do when you were making fritters. As the yogurt mixture is boiling, they'll not stick to each other. Cook with intermittent stirring till they're all floating on the top. Then turn off the flame and add some lemon and coriander leaves. Mix well and transfer to serving container and serve. It can be enjoyed on its own as a soup or can be served with any of the Indian breads or rice. I have served it with vegetable pulao, cauliflower and potato curry and dry roasted papad.